Toby the red fox. Built for speed and agility, red foxes are skillful hunters, and their slender bodies, long legs, and small stomachs allow them to run faster than a moped. Foxes have several natural predators, including humans. At the WNC Nature Center, you can see Toby. This 10-year-old was born in the wild, but orphaned at a very young age. Because of that, Toby never learned how to survive on his own and does not fear humans. This means he cannot be released into the wild for his own safety. Toby has been at the Nature Center since May 2007 and is quite a gentleman. When offered food by the animal care staff, he takes it carefully and delicately.